This man said that the Ohanaeze Ndigbo collected money. That is why they are trying to shut Igbos up so that they will not talk in this hardship. Do you believe that? If you believe, drop your own opinion for inside comment section. Then the Igbos don't come outside, come sit and say, now then decide no be Ohanaeze Ndigbo because of waiting they don't do them for inside Nigeria. Welcome back to Officer Justice Day. Today now the first day where they see this channel. May you don't forget to follow and also subscribe and share this video. I want you to watch this video and tell me what you think about waiting this our brother talk. He said that Tinubu don't go carry some money, give some people. Now it make them no fit talk. Especially is referring to Ndigbo. Why are they not complaining in the whole hardship? What the whole way they happen correctly for inside Nigeria? But I want me you watch them, then we'll come back. Continue.
If Tinubu does not pay bribe, by this time he would have been out. The army collect bribe, everybody, the judicial collect bribes. That is why Tinubu is there. Not that Tinubu is too strong. Tinubu is nobody. But because of the bribe he paid, that's why he's there. And probably the Ohanaeze, they are part of the people that have collected bribe.
Tinubu has bribed the Ohanaeze.
Yes, because I don't see a reason why you will say that the Igbos will not partake. Is the Igbos not suffering? Are the Igbos not buying fuel? Are the Igbos not buying bread? Are the Igbos not buying gari? Why will you say that Igbo? That thing is just to set confusion so that Nigerians will not be united. And they have been playing that role by disuniting the people. So they need to come out, play, and tell us what they are doing. Because with what they are doing now, I'm sure they are not representing the Igbos. They are not representing the Igbo. They should stop all those nonsense they are doing. He said Igbo will not protest. They will not do sit at home. Where are you? Come out and tell us. They should come out and tell us and stop putting confusion.
People say they are aggrieved because of what transpired in the previous election.
Previous election what? Previous election what? Even if you are aggrieved, now is the time. This is not the time that somebody will say that because you did not support me the first time, I will not support this time. That one is lie. It's a strategy to frustrate the masses of Nigeria. That's a strategy. That because listen, if I'm fighting for something and you did not support me this time, even if you come back next year to support me for what I'm fighting for, I'm going to embrace you because I will feel that okay, now your eye have cleared. Come, let us join hands. I will not say because you did not support me the first time that go. I will not. There is no way we'll succeed. The only way we'll succeed is in unity. And anybody that is causing disunity is an enemy of this country. So if you come and say because he did not support me the first time, we told you people not to vote for Tinubu, now you people are protesting, we will not protest. That means you are giving, first of all, Tinubu have upper hand the first time. He played the game, he divided the people. Now again, you are still helping him to play the game.
So this one is a game played now.
It's a game played.
It's a master plan.
Look at the one of the chairman of our, look at his tummy, very big. He is feeding fat. Yes, he's feeding fat. He has collected bribe. He has collected bribe. Ohanaeze have collected bribe. If they have not collected bribe, they should come out and tell us. Even the religious leaders have collected bribe. That's the truth. Because formerly in Jonathan Senate, even in Essence, we saw Adeboye with black cards. Where is Adeboye? They have collected bribe. They have collected bribe. They should come out. They should come out.
So what's the way forward to Nigeria that we are currently?
Listen, the prominent men of Nigerians, if the prominent men did not come out, the poor masses has no power because they has no finance. There is nothing you do with that money that you succeed. Even if you want to protect, he needs money. And these men have collected money in one way or the other. They are all partakers of the corruption of this country, and that is why they are frustrating the effort of the masses, because they are feeding from this corruption. There is no Nigeria where the man that will come out and say he has not been a beneficiary of this corruption, but no problem. But this is the time for change. The suffering has come. Even those that are in a National Assembly today, if you refuse to change it, don't worry, you will soon come back and join the masses. You will buy fuel. Don't worry. Don't worry.
So, sir, people are saying that you are calling for Tinubu impeachment. What's your thought?
It's not something, as I'm here, I'm praying every morning. I'm just waiting. If I go to my phone, I'm checking to see if they have impeached him. Every morning, I'm waking up with the hope that he has been impeached, because he has no solution. I cannot see a country that somebody will have no solution and the person will still be there. You entered when dollar was how much, today dollar is how much, and people are still leaving you. What are you working? Listen, if this car spoil and a mechanic came to fix this car, from the day the mechanic gets to that car, we will see improvement. But when the car begins to develop more fault and you allow that means you're a foolish person.
Incompetent.
Yes, I brought car with engine problem. Now I'm seeing gearbox and engine and said that, and you see allow the mechanic to be losing. You must be a foolish person.
Wow, that is wisdom. That is wisdom. That is wisdom. So Tinubu should be impeached.
He should be impeached and be arrested, because the suffering of this country, somebody cannot plug Nigeria into the suffering and go free. The problem of Nigeria is that people commit crime and go free, and that's why people they are not afraid to commit crime, because they know when they commit the crime, at the end of the day, nothing is going to happen to them. That's why they will commit the crime and even sit in their house. So people even go and be praising them,
and be dancing,
welcoming them in their community as hero. If we must succeed in this country, everybody is going to put hand. If your brother is part of the corruption, you are going to bring him out. You are not going to cover anybody that this one is doing well in this community. It's a lie.
So revolution is the answer, sir.
Revolution must come for this country to change, and it's a collective effort. Not this one that some people will do. We will not protest, we will not join, we will not do, we will not that. It's a lie. You are only giving them more upper hand to bring more suffering to the masses of Nigeria.
All right, sir. Thank you so much.
There's no hope for Nigeria except we'll split. With splitting, I hope that will be a good thing, because Nigeria is too big for one person.
Removing fuel subsidy is what we are experiencing now. If it has 2 years, it was too early, and it was in a...
Yeah, welcome back. As done listening to waiting that our brother talk. Now, what may you tell me what you think for this thing we talk? Do you think that the Igbo silent over things that happening now are because of Ohanaeze Ndigbo speak or governors speak? No, this our brother got everything wrong. You know, when you push people too much to the wall, they will now retreat and rethink the next step to follow. That is what Igbos are doing. Igbo silent, they are not silent, but they are preparing for something big. Yes, they are preparing for something big. You are pushing them enough from the government, from everywhere, destroying their houses in the Lagos, in all part of the Nigeria. So the day they will talk, the language they will use, he may not like it. This is the pure truth. Nobody is giving them or asking them to shut up. Just they choose not to protest or anything. So I address that our brother. If you think what I said is not right, drop your own opinion, and also share this video so that more people can sit up put for the matter. Thank you so much for watching. You still there for Officer Justice Day. Share the video.